You know, I never understood all these elaborate tortures. It's the simplest thing to cause more pain than a man can possibly endure. And of course, it's not only the immediate agony, but the knowledge that if you do not yield soon enough, there will be little left to identify you as a man. The only question remains. Will you yield in time? I want the money. Miss Lynn will give me the account number, if she hasn't already. So all I need from you is the password. The password, please. I've got a little itch. Down there. Would you mind?
To the right! To the right! To the right!
You are a funny man, Mr. Bond.